Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You begin by assembling key papers and taking immediate action. Locate the original caste certificate, your Aadhaar or other ID, and the document proving the correct name. Once done, prepare a signed affidavit stating the name change and get passport photos ready. Make sure to photocopy everything and get any required notarization. This proves intent and avoids delays. Finally, check the issuing authority's specific checklist now so you don't miss a unique local requirement before you proceed to application. You will now complete and submit the formal application to the issuing authority, municipal office, revenue department, or online portal using precise spellings as on supporting proof. Once filled, attach the affidavit, original caste certificate, ID, proof of the new name, and photos in the specified order. Pay the statutory fee and obtain a receipt and acknowledgement number. This tracks progress. After submission, follow up within the published timeline and be ready to respond quickly if the examiner requests clarifications or extra documents. You finish by retrieving the corrected certificate, either in person or by downloading the e-version using the acknowledgement ID, and then verify every detail immediately so mistakes are fixed fast. If you spot an error, request a reissue and present supporting proof without delay. If the application is rejected, file an appeal or submit additional evidence within the prescribed timeframe and keep all receipts and correspondence. This creates a paper trail that helps resolve disputes or escalate to higher authorities if necessary.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.